Hi guys, so today we are going to speak about dry measures of capacity. So everybody please pay attention, it is page number 109. So listen up. Measures of dry measure of capacity. It means that we have different types of measures that we can use. Podemos usar diferentes tipos de medidas, ¿vale? En este caso nos dice que un peg es como si fuera una canastica llena de muchas manzanas, ¿cierto? Y que dentro de esas canasticas dentro de un peg, tengo 8 cuartos, ¿vale? 8 cuartos. Aquí adentro hay 8 quarters, 8 quarters, 8 quarters. Pero cuando yo uno esta canastica más esta, más esta, más esta, es decir, 4 pegs, significa que cuando las alzo todas juntas, ya significa que es un bushel. Bien, entonces solo una canastica tiene 8 cuartos, pero 4 canastas forman un bushel, right? So here we are going to see the measures. Guys, chicos, quiero decirles algo, mis amores. Yo sé que voy a veces un poco muy rápido, pero no se preocupen, todo esto queda grabado. Hijitos, si ustedes quieren simplemente aprender y simplemente verme cómo yo lo estoy haciendo, perfecto, no hay ningún problema. Pero con la condición de que luego lo puedan ver en el video. Es decir, si quieren ahorita solo aprender sin necesidad de copiar, lo pueden hacer. Y después ven el video y llenan los espacios. Okay, so let's continue. Class practice. Fill in the blank. How many inches has 1 yard? 36. Here. How many pegs has 1 bushel? Look at here. 1 bushel has 4 pegs. Here. How many pins has 1 quart? 2. How many minutes has 1 hour? 60. How many hours has 1 day? 24. How many feet has 1 yard? 3. How many quarts has 1 peg? Quart, 1 peg, una canastica, 8. And how many quarts has 1 gallon? 4. Right? Let's move on. Solve number 2, match this according to the type of measure. Hour, hora, es una medida seca de tiempo o líquida. Hora, time. Yes? So you have write down here B. Peg. So it is a dry. Yes? So you write down here A. Bushel, dry as well. So A. And minute, time. B. Right? So now let's move on. Here says, solve these story problems. On Monday, Rob collected 41 shells. On Tuesday, he collected 36 shells. And on Thursday, he collected 46 shells. How many more shells did he collect on Thursday than on Monday? When we say how many more, it is subtract. Entonces nos dicen, ¿cuántas de más recolectó en jueves que el lunes? Entonces el jueves, here says that Thursday was 46. So you write down here 46 minus. On Monday, Rob collected 41. So 41. 46 minus 41, 5. So that total is 5. And here, how many shells in all did Rob find in the 3 days? Let's remember, in all is everything. So what do we have to do? We need to add, right? So here we are going to add 41, 36, and 46. 31, yes. 41, 36, and 46. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 6, 13. I carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Plus 3, 7. Plus 4, 11. So it is 113. Right? Very good. So now we are going to work on page number here 110. Point number 4. Review. So we need to do this so quickly. 72 in 6. 72 in 6. How many times may I find 6 in 72? 12. Yes? Now, letter B. 44 dividing 4, 11. 8 dividing 2, 4. 28 dividing 4, 7. 10 dividing 4 in 2, 5. 9 dividing 3, 3. 11 dividing 1, 11. 16 dividing 2, 8. 27 dividing 3, 9. 54 dividing 6, 9. 42 dividing 6, 7. And 15 dividing 5, 3. So here, let's move on and we are going to divide and check. So it is the same process. We can do it even quicker, right? So, how many times may I find 4 in 3? No, I can't. So, hey, come here and work with me. How many times may I find 4 in 38? 9. 9 multiplied by 4, 36. 38 minus 36, 2. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 27? 7. 4 multiplied by 7, 28. 27 minus 28, 1. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 11? 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 11. 11 minus 8, 3. You see? Now let's move on. How many times may I find 5 in 9? 1. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 47? 9. 9 multiplied by 4, 45. 9 multiplied by 5, 45. 47 minus 45, 2. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 5 in 26? 5. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 26 minus 25, 1. So, remainder 1. In this case was remainder 3. Next, I have 6. How many times may I find 6 in 54? 9. 6 multiplied by 9, 54. 54 minus 54, 0. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 0? Nothing. So I write down 0. And what happened next? 6. Bring down 6. How many times may I find 6 in 6? 1. 1 multiplied by 6, 6. And 6 minus 6, 0. Very good. Now here, let's move on. Point number 6. Find the products. 5 multiplied by 6, 30, I carry 3. 5 multiplied by 0, 0 plus 3, 3. 5 multiplied by 7, 35, I carry 3. 5 multiplied by 1, 5 plus 3, 8. And remember, 1, 2, 3, comma. Good job. Next, 6 multiplied by 6, 36. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. Plus 3, 15, I carry 1. 6 multiplied by 9, 54. Plus 1, 55, I carry 5. 6 multiplied by 1, 6. Plus 5, 11. And remember, 1, 2, 3, comma. Next, 3 multiplied by 4, 12, I carry 1. 3 multiplied by 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. And 3 multiplied by 8, 24. Plus 2, 26. 1, 2, 3, comma, right? Next, 6 multiplied by 2, 12. I carry 1. 6 multiplied by 4, 24 plus 1, 25. 6 multiplied by 5, 30 plus 2, 32. 6 multiplied by 9, 54 plus 3, 57. And 1, 2, 3, comma, right? 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Yes? Here, it is important to write which is the process signs that we use. I mean, did we add or subtract? Add or subtract? Add or subtract? Add or subtract? You see? So we need to see. Here, 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 will be 9. So it's not working. 2 más 7 sería 9. Entonces no es sumar, es restar. Con el primero me puedo dar cuenta. Siguiente. 4 más 2, 6. 3 más 3, 6. Vamos bien. 6 más 6, 12. Llevo una. 1 más 1 más 1, 3. ¿Sí ves? Entonces ahí era sumar. Letter C. 1 plus 9, 10. I carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. I carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. Plus 1, 10. I carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Oh, so we add. Let's move. Here. 4 plus 8, 12. O sea que no es sumar. Miremos a ver restando. 4 minus 8, no. So this one changed to a 14 and this one changed to a 1. 14 minus 8, 6. 1 minus 9, no. So this one changed to an 11 and this one changed to a 4. 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So the process was subtract. And here, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3. Right. 9 plus 1, 10 and I carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. Plus 6, 15. So here was adding. Yes? Here, let's remember about equation, guys. So, for example, ¿cuál es el primer paso? Hacer lo que ya sabemos. ¿Tú sabes cuánto es n más 3? Ni idea. Pero sí sabes cuánto es 11 menos 3. 11 menos 3 me da 9. ¿Cierto? Ahora, como la n es envidiosa, ¿qué hace con el 3? Kick it away. Le dice ahí, chao, chao de acá. Lo manda a volar y llega al otro lado. Acuérdense que esta es una barrera, ¿no? Y llega al otro lado. Pero el 9 le dice, bueno. Usted llega acá, pero usted llega aquí con una condición. Caiga acá. El 3, este 3 cayó acá. Pero entonces el 9 le dice, si usted estaba sumando, llegué a hacer lo opuesto. ¿Qué es lo opuesto de sumar? Restar. Y la n quedó solita, porque como ella pateó al 3, así, n es igual a 9 menos 3, 6. You see? Now here, which is the first step, do whatever we already do. So 9 multiplied by 2, 18. And the letter B, she kicks away the number 6. So V equals 18. And the number 6 goes until here. Pero si estaba sumando, ¿llegó a qué? A restar. V equals 18 minus 6, 12. Right? Now let's move on. Here. What is the first step? Do what we already know. Hacer lo que ya sabemos. So, 36 dividing 3, 12. La C, la letra, llega y pin, patea al 3. Cuando lo patea, el 3 llega al otro lado, pero si estaba restando, llega a ser lo opuesto. ¿Qué es lo opuesto? Sumar. ¿Sí ven? C es igual a 15. Right? And the last one says, write greater than, less than, or equal. So, which one is greater? ¿Un galón o 5 cuartos? Un galón solo tiene 4 cuartos. Y aquí me está diciendo que son 5. So, this one is bigger. Here, un galón, imagínense que un galón tiene 4 cuartos. Pero cada quarter tiene 2 pins, es decir, que son 8. Y aquí me dice que son 6 pins. So, this one is bigger. And here, ¿qué es más grande? ¿4 pegs o un bushel? Acuérdate que 4 canastas de pegs me es igual a un bushel. Eso fue lo que vimos en la página anterior. So now here, 7 as a factor. So we are going to multiply by 7. 0 multiplied by 7, 0. 1 multiplied by 7, 7. Yo sé que ustedes lo saben. Let's do it all together quickly. 2 multiplied by 7, 14. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 4 multiplied by 7, 28. 5 multiplied by 7, 35. 6 multiplied by 7, 42. ¿Van conmigo? Vamos. 7 multiplied by 7, 49. 8 multiplied by 7, 56. 9 multiplied by 7, 63. ¿Cómo vamos? 10 multiplied by 7, 70. And 11 multiplied by 7, 77. And 12 multiplied by 7, 84. Right? So now let's do the divisions. Again, you know all the process. So let's start. May I find 6 in 5? No. So, hey, come here and work with me. How many times may I find 6 in 58? 9. 9 multiplied by 6, 54. 58 minus 54, 4. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 42? 7. 7 multiplied by 6, 42. And 42 minus 42, 0. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 6 in 9? Just 1. 1 multiplied by 6, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. So remainder, 3. Here, how many times may I find 4 in 7? 1. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 33? 8. 8 multiplied by 4, 32. 33 minus 32, 1. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 12? 3. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. And 12 minus 12, 0. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 4 in 8? 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Yes? Now here, 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. What happened next? Bring down. May I find 5 in 3? No. So what do I have to write here? 0 and bring down. How many times may I find 5 in 32? 6. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. 32 minus 30, 2. What happened next? Bring down. How many times may I find 5 in 22? 4. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. 22 minus 20, 2. So here is reminder 2. Right? So now here says, Mr. Grafford spent 17.34 at the grocery store on food for her family. How much money she have left from 20? Yes, remember, ¿cuánto le sobró? So what do we need to do? Subtract. 20 minus 17.34. This one, remember, change to a 10. This one to a 9. This one to a 9. And this one to a 1. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 3, 3. Point. 9 minus 7, 2. And 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer was 2.36. Here, letter B. She bought 3 cans of beans, 2 loaves of bread, 8 cans of soup, and 5 cups of yogurt. How many items did she buy in all? So we need to add 3, 2, 8, and 5. It is 3 plus 2, 5, plus 8, 13, plus 5, 18. Good job. In all, it was 18. Good job. Right here in page number 112, we are going to work with the number 4 first. Right here says review, so you already know all of this. Esto dice aquí repaso, lo que significa es que tú ya sabes todo lo que dice acá. ¿Listo? So let's start. How many quarters has one peg? How many quarters? 8. How many pegs has one bushel? 4. How many inches has 1 yard? 36. How many feet has 1 yard? Feet. 3. How many quarters has 1 gallon? 4. How many days has 1 week? 7. How many pins has 1 quart? 2. And how many cups has 1 pit? 2. Here, we are going to multiply quickly. So if you know, let's answer. 4 multiplied by 7, 28. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. Here says work quickly, right? 8 multiplied by 6, 48. 12 multiplied by 3, 36. 11 multiplied by 4, 44. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 15 minus 9, 6. 14 minus 7, 7. 13 minus 5, how much is it? 6. 15 minus 8, 9. No, sorry, 7. 16 minus 8, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. Here, 7 plus 6, 13. 11 plus 3, 14. 9 plus 8, 17. 6 plus 5, 11. 5 plus 7, 12. 8 plus 3, 11. Right? So now let's move on. Here says, show 6 ways. Right? So we need to find different ways to get 20. So we can find 5 multiplied by 4, 20, you see? 10 multiplied by 2, 10 plus 10, 20, you see? Remember? Now here, 21 minus 1, 20. 30 minus 10, it is 20, right? And 20 multiplied by 1, it is 20. Now let's move on here. 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. So let's start. 7 multiplied by 3, la cambiamos y también me sirve, me da 21, right? 21 multiplied by 1, you see? Here, 22 minus 1. Here we have right now 20 plus 1, right? Here, 42 dividing 2. Yes, is another way, right? And 11 plus 10. You see? And finally, this is an easy job. You need to place all of these numbers in this chart, right? So let's do it. Let's remember with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Do you remember with your fingers? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So now you need to write it down, Rao. Quickly, let's do it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Everybody, quickly. Doing that chart. Yes. Espero que ya me hayan ganado. Espero que ya lo hayan hecho. Vamos a ver si nos quedó todo súper bien. Tú vas revisando y yo voy revisando. ¿Listo? Para eso tenemos la dicha de que tú tienes tu libro y yo tengo el mío y acabé. Okay? So thank you so much, guys. This is the class for today. Bye bye.